Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your GitHub username. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all we need to do now is just to go to our settings so we can change our GitHub username. So here we are on the dashboard, and if we click on the three-line icon, we won't find the setting. And basically the settings are located on your profile picture. So we can simply click on the profile picture, and from here we will find the settings in the middle section. We click on the settings, and here we will find many settings. You will have the public profile where you can modify uh, the settings for the public profile. That means what other people see, or when they access to your profile, or when they visit your profile. And basically there is the account, and basically in the account you will have the ability to change your username. So as you can see, this is the username, and you can also watch for these things, or for instructions. You can change your username to another username that is not currently in use, and if your older username you want to is not available, consider other names, but etc. And basically, many things cannot set up redirects for your mention using your old username and link to just etc. That means everything needed to be updated. So basically, you will be needing just to click on change your username, and you will just, as you can see, they will not set up redirects for your old profile page. You will not have uh, redirects for pages site that will be updated, etc. And you will need just to click on I understand it's change my username. You add the new username that you would like, and you save, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.